Hi everyone, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to share your Instagram profile. Sharing your profile makes it easier for others to find and connect with you on Instagram. So, let's get started on how to share your Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom of your screen. On your profile page, you will see several options. Look for the Share Profile button and tap on it. Again, tap on the Share Profile option. A menu will pop up with different sharing options. For this guide, we will use the Messenger app to share your profile. Tap on the Messenger icon from the list. Once you are in Messenger, select the user you want to share your Instagram profile with. Finally, tap on the Send button located in the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can share your Instagram profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.